whittling away the top layer. Be a good $400 or $500 when she's done drying them out real good. Yeah. Just want to get a quick look there.
Okay.
All the cracks gone.
Most of the cracks gone,
Yeah.
a little bit there. Try to straighten this up and straighten that out.
There you go. And then
This is how it pretty much started.
how much longer till it's polished and ready to scrimshaw?
A couple more hours of work, a few more hours.
Yeah. Well, still.
Not even, and then I gotta polish.
And then you gotta draw. And not make a mistake or you'll end up doing it all over again.
Yeah.
Cool.